Have you ever wondered about the nun-shaped pastry that holds a rich history in French cuisine? Today we're diving deep into the story behind the religieuse. The religieuse is a French pastry consisting of two choux puff pastries, one stacked atop the other. The name religieuse suggests its nun-like appearance. The term religieuse comes from French and refers to the shape reminiscent of a nun's habit. The etymology traces back through culinary history to symbolize monastic life. The pastry became popular in France during the early 20th century, with its stacked structure designed by famous patisseries to resemble a nun's headdress. Interestingly, Jacques Rivette's controversial film La Religieuse from the 1960s shares its name with this dessert, reflecting broader cultural themes of religious life. Today, you can find religieuse in many French pastry shops like the Sweet Nuns in Mid-City, which specializes in these stacked cream puffs. The religieuse is more than just a dessert. It's a piece of cultural and culinary history that continues to intrigue food enthusiasts around the world. So there you have it. From its historical roots to modern-day pastry shops, the religieuse has a story worth savoring. What did you find most intriguing? Let me know in the comments.